Blockchain basics. In this short video, we're going to talk about the basics of blockchain, what it is, what you may become used to seeing in results of what blockchains are. Firstly, let's go over what a blockchain is. So even for the most sophisticated blockchain developer, it's still fairly difficult to describe exactly what a blockchain is to the end user because it's fairly difficult to comprehend. But if you can think of it like maybe like a hexagon, a honeycomb shape maybe, and it's constantly rotating, right? And within that, they may have even smaller ones constantly rotating, but every rotation is a hash mark, a hash transaction. And every millisecond even, there's new transactions being put out onto the blockchain as a constantly rotating machine, right? And so anything that comes in, anything that goes out is documented and recorded from this wallet address to this wallet address. So every wallet transaction is recorded. And this network could be called a DAO. The DAO runs this blockchain, for example. But yeah, so in crypto, you may be used to seeing Ethereum. That's the second biggest cryptocurrency next to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, if you guys haven't been noticing, is like digital gold, right? There's a set number, I don't know exactly what it is, 42 billion or something like that. And once it's all mined over a span of like 20 years or whatever it is, with diminishing returns, there's none left. Just like gold in real life, right? There's only so much gold in the earth, and as we mine it, there becomes less and less. Ethereum is like digital silver, meaning we use it to exchange goods and we do more everyday transactions in silver. Big purchases may still be in Bitcoin as gold, right? But your smaller transactions, purchasing NFTs on OpenSea, that's Ethereum. Purchasing NFTs on almost all major NFT marketplaces is Ethereum. You may be using Polygon, but that's just a bridge of Ethereum. And Ethereum is like 85% of interactions on the blockchain are with some sort of Ethereum based blockchain. And there's many derivatives or forks from that Ethereum blockchain that branch off and do their own thing with their own network, right? And you can create your own entire blockchain. So with the ability to just keep creating blockchains, the users have so much different competition that you can easily and freely choose from. It's hard for monopolies to happen because, if this blockchain isn't treating you right, they're not giving you the rewards that maybe this smaller blockchain over here offers. You want to jump ship easily and freely, you can. It's a little bit harder with banks and fiat, right? So, it's just usually Ethereum runoffs. The top blockchains are Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, and then some emerging ones that I would look out in: Cardano, Algorand, and Elrond Gold. Each blockchain has something different usually, giving it a unique selling opposition, right? This one's faster, this one's more sustainable, this one, does more precise transactions, more secure, whatever it is. But it's just some sort of runoff of some other blockchain. You'll notice that MetaMask usually works with Ethereum, so like most Web3 injections are MetaMask, 85% most likely, as that's what Ethereum uses. And Phantom Wallet is for Solana Network, and Elrond Gold Wallet has its own wallet. Every blockchain has its own wallet. It's basically your personal ID when you join their network, right? So Cardano's have their own wallet, Avalanche has their own wallet, everybody has their own wallet, Polygon has their own wallet. It's just like Ethereum, Polygon scan, Ethereum scan, or Etherscan, right? You may start with Coinbase and then you may move to Binance, As you realize I like Binance more than Coinbase, you start trading on there, spending your time on there, getting to know that network, realizing how good the transaction rates and fees are. But yeah, if you were ever a good Web 2 developer, you'll most likely become a good Web 3 developer, as a lot of work, and you can find sole jobs as front-end developer where you don't even need to know any what's called Solidity, which is the language of Ethereum, Solidity. Most smart contracts are developed with Solidity. So if you want to be a back-end developer and write the law, the way things operate, the rotation of the times, you learn Solidity. But most of what you'll be working in is JavaScript. The more JavaScript you know, the better. The more React you know, the better. JavaScript, React, and then Solidity I would say is third. And then if you want to learn Python instead of like JavaScript or something, I'm sure that you can figure out some things. Like you can use Brownie. A couple different apps you can use for Python. So each individual block is a constantly rotating, you can see in the background there, it looks kind of like that, right? And each individual block is constantly rotating within itself and within the hierarchy of the tribe, right? So it's magical chair. It's like a giant maze that's constantly turning. But yeah, everything is recorded, everything is transcribed. Each transaction going in and out, it's all recorded. It's all a constantly turning machine, recording its own history, being written by us, the devs, similar to Neo in the Matrix. In time, the users have the choice to play the game, or they can just jump different blockchains, right? That's why we're always going to be competing to new blockchains, and there's always going to be new blockchains coming out. It's our ecosystem. I think the best ones will be the ones with the biggest community, honestly. If you've been a good community, you have a safe structure, you have good rewards, you've been honest, and it's all about the community, you're probably going to win in the next 20, 40, 80 years, 100 years. If you put community first, you'll always win. Simple as that. And finally, that's it. That's the basics of blockchain. If you still don't get blockchains and too much, you can shoot me a message on Twitter at The Dudes Crypto. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you feel like donating, head over to The Dudes Crypto on Twitter. And there should be a link to Ethereum wallet for some charity. That would be great, guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.